Another day, another listing, and today we are here in Solen Residences, part of Greenfield City here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. And today, we are going to do a house tour in this modern house and lot with 180 square meters lot area and 264 square meters floor area. For the house features, of course, aside from our spacious living and dining area, we have a kitchen with premium finishes. We have an auxiliary kitchen, laundry area, and of course, meron din tayong helper's quarter with own toilet and bath. Another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is meron siyang indoor fountain, and at the same time, nagkaroon pa siya ng pool and shower area dun sa kabilang side. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo in this video. If you are a retiree, an overseas Filipino worker, or investor looking for a ready for occupancy house and lot, I would like to welcome you all here in Solen Residences. So, tara, let's start our house tour. Dito tayo magsimula sa ating 2 carport. And kung napansin nyo, wala tayong gate, wala tayong fence because that is part of the restriction. Because the community itself is already gated. So, once you invest in Solen Residences, definitely, you are already safe and secured. So, ang ginawa na lang nung ating current na owner is naglagay na lang siya dito ng plant. And dun sa kabila, tinanim na mismo yung plant dun sa mismong lupa. And that serves as a fence. So, dito sa kabilang side na to, ito na yung access natin going to our auxiliary kitchen. So, just in case namili ka from the market or yung helper mo is namili from the market, hindi na kailangan duman sa main entrance. Diretso na sila dito sa auxiliary kitchen. Nandiyan na rin yung access going to the helper's quarter and also sa ating laundry area. Meron na din tayo dyan access going directly to the kitchen area. And ipapakita ko yan later on this video. And another one, so dito tayo sa kabilang side. So ito na yung pinakang entrance natin going to the main door. And here is our private cocktail pool. So ayan, as you can see, ang adult na yung lalim ng ating pool. Pero if meron kang kids, then definitely, hindi na lang natin pupunuin yung pinakang water niya. Pero ito, additional space siya. Perfect for you and your family, lalo na if meron kang visitors, meron kang relatives or friends na bibisita. In this area, pwede pa tayo mag-add dito ng mini table and chairs. So, nandun, meron na rin tayong access going directly to our dining area and ipapakita ko sa inyo later. So, if you are someone looking for a property na very accessible, malapit lang siya sa Eton Greenfield exit, Santa Rosa exit, Mamplasan exit, and also Calax, then this is actually the right property for you. So, check na natin yung pinakang interior. Hello everyone, this is Joyce of JYS Property Investment, and today, we are going to feature this modern house and lot located here in Solen Residences. So, bungad pa lang sa atin is yung ating tall wooden door na meron na ring smart door lock. And also, yung ating access going to the second floor. Plus, ayan, as you can see, high ceiling na rin tong area na to. And meron tayong natural source of sunlight. So, here is our spacious living area. So, mapapansin nyo, wala tayong television set, wala tayong multimedia area dito sa ating living area. Dahil, kita nyo naman, meron na tayo ditong indoor fountain. So, actually, itong area na to is convertible naman. If you would want, pwede tayo mag-add dito ng maliliit na isda. And if you prefer, pwede natin siya ipa-customize. Pwede tayo magpalagay dito ng built-in aquarium. So, papa-add na lang natin dito. Mag-hire lang tayo ng expert para mag-add dito ng pinakang glass partition. That will serve as their aquarium. So, this is our access going to the private cocktail pool, pero mamaya natin siya pupuntahan. So, start tayo with our kitchen area. So, ayan, as you can see, premium na yung finish niya. We have here our built-in stove. So, meron na rin tayo ditong range hood na umaangat kapag gagamitin natin. Kung mapapansin nyo, more on golden yung color natin. Golden and also light colors. And this one, mukha lang siyang part ng pader, but this is actually a storage. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. So, for reference lang, 5'3" yung height ko. So, just in case hindi natin maaabot yung pinak ng taas, pwede tayo magpa-install ng pull-out rack. So, balik lang natin. So, ito, modern na rin yung ating pinakang kitchen sink. We have a lot of storages here and meron na rin tayong built-in oven and also microwave. Plus, nagkaroon pa tayo ng additional storage dito. So, this one, ayan, included na rin yung ating 2-door fridge. So, Samsung yung brand niya. Ayan, napakalaki na nung space. So, meron din tayong overhead cabinet there. And, another thing, this area serves as your bar counter. Hindi siya yung usual na style ng pinakang bar counter. But this one, ayan, pwede tayo maglagay dito ng wine. So, meron na siyang sariling storage and makikip din yung saktong lamig para dun sa specific wine na ilalagay mo. So, meron pa tayo ditong additional storage. So, this could serve as your cabinet pantry. So, yung pinaka-circuit breaker natin dito sa baba is nandito na rin siya, nakatago. So, another thing, here is our common toilet and bath. This one is same ng design dun sa ating staircase. Mas pansin lang yung pinakang LED light niya dahil dim yung light natin dito sa ating powder room. And another thing, ayan, it already comes with a smart toilet with, ano na rin siya, ayan, papakita ko, with controller na rin. This one naman is our service area. We have here the auxiliary kitchen, laundry area. Ito, specifically, nakabukod na talaga yung laundry area. Plus, spacious na rin yung pinakang helper's quarter with own comfort room na rin. And from the kitchen area, dito naman tayo sa ating dining area. So, as you can see, 8-seater na siya. It's a wooden table na glass na yung pinakang ibabaw niya. And makikita nyo, maganda yung pinakang center na design ng ating wooden table. So, appreciate natin tong napakagandang shelves and also storages. So, depending on you na lang kung ano yung ilalagay mo dito. Pwedeng yung mga awards, trophies, o kaya yung katulad nito, books, and yung mga minimal na design lang. We also have a chandelier para dito sa ating pinakang center table. And also, nalimutan ko i-mention yung chandelier natin on the kitchen area. Now, check natin yung ating private cocktail pool bago natin puntahan yung ating second floor. Tara! Ayan. Wala lang siyang tubig right now. Actually, hindi lang siya pang deep pool eh. Swimming pool na talaga siya dahil rectangular yung pinakang shape niya and malalim na rin siya. I believe, lampas na siya ng 6 feet. So, nagkaroon pa tayo dito ng pinakang upuan and kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong abang for a projector just in case you have family or friends na bibisita. At least you have a specific area here where you can bond with them. So, another thing, ayan, meron na tayo ditong aesthetic na shower area. So, open lang siya and ito na yung pinakang water tank natin for the swimming pool. So, now, check natin yung ating second floor. So, ayan, bago natin puntahan yung pinakang second floor, i-appreciate natin ulit yung ating indoor water feature. Ayan. So, depending on you, convertible naman tong pinakang area na to. If gusto mo mag-add ng mga indoor plants, ayan, pwede naman siya. So, now we are here sa ating high ceiling na staircase. So, meron na tayo ditong corner windows. So, included na rin yung ating long curtains and ang pinakamaganda is motorized na rin siya para hindi ka na mahirapan mag-close and open. So, meron din tayo ditong mahabang chandelier. Pag nasa baba ka, mahahawakan mo na siya eh. Pero ayan, nag-add din siya ng aesthetic design dito sa ating staircase. Wooden na yung pinakang hagdanan natin, pero of course, meron siyang metal support and yung ating railings is glass na rin siya. Kung napapansin nyo, napapaligiran tayo ng glass, ng windows. So, here sa ating second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. So, ihuli na natin yung ating pinakang master bedroom. But as you can see, ito, meron pa tayong additional storage dito sa taas. So, hindi na siya nag-occupy ng space sa baba. So, in-install na siya sa pinakang ceiling part nung ating bahay. So, check natin yung ating first room. So, ayan, as you can see, Ayan, ample naman yung space natin para sa ating first bedroom. Meron na tayong included na ceiling fan and also installed na split type air conditioner. Actually, kahit hindi natin buhayin yung mga ilaw, meron tayong natural source of sunlight. So, we have here a awning window. So, may awning window na tayo, but this one is fixed na siya. And of course, syempre hindi mawawala yung ating ensuite toilet and bath. Ang maganda dito is sharing na siya with the other room. We have here an enclosed shower area, a modern piano type na shower, smart toilet, and ayan, aesthetic na rin yung pinakang design ng ating mirror. So same siya nung mirror natin sa baba. Very functional siya, maaliwalas at hindi siya masikip tingnan. So, titingnan naman natin yung ating second room na karugtong nito. So, this is our second room. So, bago tayo pumunta dito, yan, appreciate natin yung ating shelves in this area na meron na rin siyang built-in na LED light. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-add. So, katulad ng na-mention ko sa baba, depending on you, kung ano yung pinakang ilalagay natin dito. Yung awards, trophies, medal, or whatever you want. Pwede rin naman i-convert this area into a mini library if you prefer. So, this one, ito na yung ating pinakang second bedroom. So, halos kasing size niya lang yung kabila. Hindi lang natin mapakita ng buo. Dito kasi nakalagay yung mga pinamili ng clients natin na bed and iba pang gamit dito sa bahay. So, same dun sa kanina, we have the awning window. Meron tayong included na ceiling fan, split type air conditioner, and ang hindi ko na mention is meron na rin siyang included na curtain blinds. Now, the exciting part is here. So, puntahan na natin yung ating master bedroom. Exciting part because hindi lang siya yung regular na master bedroom na fini-feature natin. But this one, nakaramdam ako ng hotel vibes. So, tara! So, yung ating pinakang door is meron na rin siyang smart door lock. And tingnan natin dito yung pinakang likod ng ating door. So, we have here storages. Ayan, bawat part talaga ng bahay is na-maximize siya. Even yung part ng air conditioner natin dito, para siyang Japandi design. So, covered siya, pero at the same time, hindi pa rin niya nababawasan yung function ng air conditioner. And, eto na yung ating pinakang bedroom. So, ito yung bed area natin. Yung wall design na meron tayo sa may hagdanan is the same wall design na meron tayo dito sa ating bed areas. So, kaya mapapansin nyo, very organized na siya talaga. Hindi mawala yung ceiling fan. And this area, ayan, wala lang siyang television. So, you can choose the specific brand na preferred mo. So, this is your multimedia area sa loob mismo ng bedroom mo. So, meron na siyang abang na socket, depending on you na lang kung gaano kalaking television at saka kung anong brand yung preferred mo. If plano mong bilhin tong property pero hindi ka naman mag-i-stay dito on a daily basis, pwede rin namang magpa-install tayo dito ng projector. Now, ayan, appreciate natin tong space na to, wherein makikita natin yung pinakang hagdanan natin. So, if gusto mo lang mag-relax, bubusugin mo lang yung paningin mo sa magandang view, open lang natin tong curtain na to and at the same time yung curtain natin dun sa pinakang staircase natin. Ayan, kita nyo naman, meron na tayong natural source ng sunlight. Actually, tanghaling tapat na ngayon, pero kung mapapansin nyo, hindi tayo nasisinagan ng mainit na araw dito sa ating pinakang bedroom. So, check muna natin yung balcony bago natin puntahan yung ating walk-in closet. So, here is our L-shaped balcony. So, ayan, enough naman yung space niya. Pwede kayo dito makapagkwentuhan with your friends or family members. Itong area na to, currently meron siyang tanim. So, pwede mo rin siyang i-convert into a mini garden. And, another thing pala, bago natin puntahan yung pinakang walk-in closet natin. As of the moment, ayan, open area pa tong pinakang tapat natin. Probably may nakabili na ng property pero hindi pa nagpapatayo. So, ayan, napakalaki pa nung open space, puro greeneries pa yung paligid natin. Meron ditong maliliit at malalaking halaman sa paligid natin, which is, syempre, good benefit siya para sa health natin. Now, let's check our walk-in closet. So, open lang siya. Depending on you, for additional privacy, pwede tayo magpalagay dito ng sliding door or accordion door if you prefer. This area, pwede siyang vanity and pwede rin naman siyang maging pinakang office area. Meron na siyang included na curtain blinds. Bababa na lang natin siya. Meron na rin tong abang, ayan, meron na rin siyang abang na socket. So, this serves as a his and hers na cabinet and also storage. So, we have here additional shelves and storages, another cabinet, and sa tapat niya is the vanity area. Yan. Meron na siyang included na mirror. Meron na rin siyang abang na socket and ayan, soft close na rin yung pinakang cabinets. And here is our master bedroom. So, meron na tayo ditong pocket door para hindi na siya kakain ng space. We have another smart toilet and meron na rin siyang remote control. So, syempre, meron tayo ditong additional owning windows. We have a his and her sink. Kung mapapansin nyo, I believe ngayon lang tayo nakapag-feature na merong his and hers na shower. Just in case you or your partner sabay kayo nagwo-work or nagbe-business, hindi naman may iwasan na kailanganin yung gamitin yung CR ng sabay. At least, meron na kayong sariling shower. And actually, that's the end of our house tour dito sa ating brand new house and lot here in Solen Residences. And to reveal the selling price, it's only 26 million pesos. So since it is a secondary market, pero again, it's a brand new house and lot. So your down payment will be a spot payment, depende na lang on the bank's approval. And the remaining balance, pwede natin siyang i-loan through bank financing. That's it for today's video. Once again, this is Joyce of JYS Property Investment. So again, if nagustuhan nyo yung ating presentation and you think this is the kind of property na perfect for you as an overseas Filipino worker, a retiree, or an investor, then you can message me at 63965-075-9571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp.